Hello, literature lovers. As you can see, I am discussing Brave New World. It's a dystopian novel by Aldous Huxley. One of my personal favorite. Let's discuss the very title. And when I first recognized the fact about it, I was really shocked. The title was taken from William Shakespeare's drama, the last one, Tempest. And these lines are quite great, spoken by Miranda. And this play is also quite special because of the post-colonial approach that Tempest used. I hope you will go through it. I'm really intrigued. Now, talking about the work, it's a dystopian novel written 1931, published 1932. No? Largely set in a futuristic world. So, the setting is quite futuristic and it's quite special that citizens are environmentally engineering into a intelligence based social hierarchy. So it's somewhat mixture of genetics and reproductive technology, sleep learning, psychological analysis, manipulation, classical conditioning, all are combined into this dystopian society. And they are challenging the nature, the biology, and that is the brilliance of Aldous Huxley. He is really called the encyclopedia, living encyclopedia, and I no doubt he is really. And in fact, it is often compared with another masterpiece, that is George Orwell's 1984. Share your opinions about it. Is it really so great? I feel so. But talking about its achievements, in 1999, the Modern Library ranked Brave New World at number 5 in the list of best 100 English language novels of 20th century. In fact, in 2003, including Brave New World chronology, at number 53 in the top 100 greatest novels of all time. In fact, in BBC Big Red, it is called at number 87. So there is a great terms and conditions and the phraseology here used, not talking about the real life incident. Reservation area is used in North America and where the native Indians were obliged to live while white took place over their land. So there is an allegorical meaning. There is a place in Aton and it's one of the most famous and prestigious schools in Britain. And its students come from aristocrat, wealthy, and well-known families. Not talking about people and the concept related to it. This is very more interesting than anything else. How the concept works here, especially the idea as talked about is taken from the psychological one is taken from Sigmund Freud, and we all know about it. And the second word is by Ivan Pavlov. It is very special, all the ideas taken from it. Now, what the question arises, what is Brave New World? It is a dystopian tale, and they are talking about the location. The world stage is there, and as the philosophies of Henry Ford was talking about. The Brave New World, and the reference is given here, how it works. The Ford is, used here. Brave New World, government, organization, condition, and the low caste. So we can see the whole criteria is talking about the sleep teaching, the moral education, class conditioning. All these concepts, we can learn from it a lot, especially in today's world where online teaching is quite relevant. Here, they're talking about the caste system, alpha, male, beta, the gamma. The technical aspects are compared with the social aspects, how there is a bifurcation in the society. All these concepts are quite relevant. And here comes the scientific part. I am not much aware of this portion. It's so difficult for me to, how the fertilization process is there, dividing of the fertilized eggs, how the twins are made. There is a biological aspect of it also. others can understand it much better. Please share your views if you can get a better view of it. And social aspects are obviously important, conditioning of the state, natural families. Now, as we have discussed that it is differentiation between 1984 and there is some aspect similar to it, and share your views which one is better, although it's really very difficult to discuss it. These are some of the questions that need to be discussed, and I'm sure you will go through it. And it is a future teller. It is Aldous Huxley was really so brilliant and such great mind, and I am sure that it is a future teller, and it can be used for the population control program and the test tube concept, and for the use of drugs and some. God may knows after few years it may be a real state, and we will talk about it like anything else. So no one can know, and there are so much to discuss about it. I'm sure you will definitely think about it, and that's all for today. Thanks for being part of it. Thank you.